Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Legends modular armor na Iron Man. Alright, so first step, we are going to spray the action figure with Bosnia number 191 flat clear. This will serve as our primer. Okay, after nun, we are going to use white and warm red para makapag-apply ng first layer of highlights. I am also using a round brush din dito and very gestural din yung mga brush strokes na ginagawa ko. Next, from the previous na mixture ng paint, mag-add lang tayo ng ultra white, stronger coverage from Hero Paints and white na primer para mas maging light din yung mixture natin, yung color. So, ang technique na ginagawa natin dito, layering lang ng paints. So, first layer of highlights and then now second layer of highlights. And now, yung next na step, mag-apply naman tayo ng third layer of highlights. Ito, white na lang talaga. Yung stronger coverage. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. Yan, if you need some hobby paints, punta lang kayo sa Shopee or Lazada. Search Hero Paints. Marami silang available na colors, color ranges, may mga sets din, may mga primers. Tingnan nyo lang yung kanilang store. Okay? And then next step, we are going to apply yung black na paint for parang inking process na to eh. So you can use feathering lines, traditional na mga parang traditional techniques sa pag-ink ng comics. Ina-apply ko dito sa 3D. So kung paano ako mag-drawing ng comics sa paper, ina-apply ko dito sa 3D action figure. And then next, we can use a pilot twin marker para makapag-apply ng mas thinner or finer na lines. And there you have it. We are done with the modular Iron Man armor from Marvel Legends. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.